Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on that motif. I already made it in 3 sizes. This is front side and back side is almost the same, and this is really easy to make. Let's get started. For this pattern we are going to start by slip knot, and then I make 4 or 5 chains. Going to make a loop here, then start by chain 3 and then 2 more double crochet. I make 2 chain for separation and I make again 3 double crochet. Two chain for separation and repeat until I have 4 double crochet. Chain 2 and 1 more, now I'm going to make chain 2 and slip stitch. At the end of the row 1 my pattern should look like that. 3 3 3 3 and 2 chain for separation. What we have to do here, I'm going to make 1 chain, and at the first double crochet I am going to make 1 double crochet, not a normal one, in middle here. I grab the yarn and make 1 double crochet. The next one I'll do the same at the back. I insert my hook here and then I make 1 double crochet. The other one, it has to be again in front. So now I have 3 like that. When it comes in the separation, from now on we have to make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 double crochet, because this one is going to help us to increase the pattern. Now we are coming again in this 3. I'm going to make the first one in front and the other one at the back, and then again 1 in front. It comes to the separation, I'll make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 double crochet, and we repeat that pattern until the end of the row. If you look at the pattern, I start from 3 and now I have 3. I make the separation by double crochet, chain 2 double crochet, and I'm going to join the row by a slip stitch. Again we are going to start by chain 1 and then at the same, because the one we already made it in front, we do it again in front. The one is at the back, we do it at the back, and we repeat it like that. Again the one in front. When it comes to the separation, we have to also start to making that. How can we find out? We did the last one in front, so we are going to take that one at the back. Now I'm again in separation. I make 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet. Again I am in that one. I have to use at the back, and I repeat exactly the same, the one in front and the one in back. It seems that in each row we are going to have 2 more extra, because we start with the 3. We did it with 3 for the row 2. Now row 3, if you look at here, I have 5 stitch. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5. The next row is gonna be 7, next row 9, next row 11, because we are going to increase it here each row by making 1 double crochet, 2 chain, and 1 double crochet. It makes our pattern bigger. Now make sure always you have to knit also that one. Again this, and just let me finish this row to show you the separation. Chain 2, 1 single crochet, it comes here again, always don't forget the last one. You have to always make it like this, then join the row by a slip stitch. If you look at here, so you always have the separation on the corner by making 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet, 2 chain, and then the pattern is going to make bigger and bigger by knitting 2 extra of this. You look at this pattern, now we are going to have 7. Let me just make one more row by this is the separation part. If you look at here, for the this is from the last row is 5. Now I'm going to add these 2, is gonna be 7. How can I find out should be front side or back side? Because if you look at here, the one is back side, so it means I have to do this one in front, and then the one at the back, and the one in front, so I'm going to finish this part and I'll show you See, you have to take the one from the last row, and then if you look at here, now I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then comes to the separation, make 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, and then you have to repeat that pattern in each row. Make sure you always have the separation like that. And as I told you, the pattern starts with 3, next row 5, now we are in 7, next row you are going to have 9, 11, 13, 15, and it's up to you. This is the back side and front side. It's up to you the size, if you want smaller size, a little bit bigger, or also you can continue as much as row you like, because it is easy to knit it, and it comes up really fast. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a good day.